All right, we got our mats for our Ford Edge. Now they make them customized, make them for different brands, different cars. This is going to be the back, the actual passenger side, and each of the driver and the other passenger. This is the back passengers. So we're going to set this up today and see how it looks. So out of the box, they're all folded. Just make sure, give them some stretch time so they could actually line up and set them up. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks. All right, this one actually came up with the little indentations here for the actual bottom part, so you can close it up. This is perfect if you have dogs. You're going to carry large amount of things in the back. You won't scratch it, you won't mess up any of the liquids. That's perfect too. Also, it's an extra spillage area, so in case you spill something, it stays in within. Now this one fit really good. Look at that, covered up, so if you spill any drinks in the back, you don't have to be worrying about it. They're easy to remove. If you bring mud into it with your shoes, look at that, perfect lining up on your back seat. So let's go ahead and set up the rest of them. All right, we just put in the driver's seat version of it, and look at this beautiful fit. It has room for the actual buttons where they actually tie it to a carpet, so when we it won't move around, shift around. So that's a good way to do it. Just make sure you take out the original caps and the original carpet. All right, look at this one, guys. Perfect fit all the way through. We got both of them, the driver and the passenger. So custom made. You'll buy them easy. Just put your brand, your year, and the make and model, and they have them available. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.